Hello and welcome to another Black Friday deal from Lenovo. This is the Lenovo 10E Chrome tablet, available right now during early Black Friday. 64% off, a savings of $215, and the final price is $119 with free shipping. And make sure you use the coupon code right here, Think10E Chrome. I'll leave it down below along with the link for you guys to check it out. This 10E Chrome tablet features the MediaTek 2 GHz 4 cores processor with the Chrome operating system, 4 gigs memory, 32 gigs of storage with a 10-inch display, with a front and rear camera. Basically a very quality tablet with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Thanks for checking out this deal. Please subscribe for more hot Black Friday deals in the future. Thanks again and happy shopping.